So before we get into the video, I'm going to give my own products a quick shout out. That is my Adinkra symbols, wall art, my kente planners, and my nursery animals wall art. Please do check it out and let me know what you think. So let's get straight into this video. Hi athletes, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I install my magic curls. Those are these little things. I bet you have seen it all over on YouTube. Don't mind my hair, by the way. This is an old twist out. It's just like this because I'm going to do a different style. Normally I'll just put it down in a bun until my wash day, but I decided to try these things out. So they are just some form of rubber, and you wrap your hair around it, sleep in it for the night, or go and sit under a hood dryer. And then when it gets dry, you take it out and you have a nice curl. So that's basically what this is supposed to do. I'm going to separate my hair in 4 sections and start from the back, and then I work my way through to the front. And when I get to the front, I will show you how I actually do it, because then I actually have done it and know how to do it, so there is something to show. And for this hairstyle, I'm just going to use my moisturizer, my beautiful texture moisturizing cream, and I'm going to use my fenugreek hairsprays. I'm going to use my fenugreek hairspray so that I wet my hair just a little bit, like to dump it a little bit, not to totally wet it, because I think it's very difficult for it to dry when you do it on totally wet hair. So I'll show you how I install this magic curl thing when I get to the front. So yeah, I'm really excited. I got them from Amazon, by the way, so I got 30 pieces. I have bigger ones and I have smaller ones, so I'll use the smaller ones for the sides and underneath my hair, and the bigger ones for the middle of my hair and front of my hair. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll be right back. So I'm finally done with everything. I have like 2 more to go, but I wanted to show you how I will do this too. So basically I just go in and spray with my fenugreek. Just slightly, I don't want it to be too damp, otherwise it will take forever to dry. So that is how I do that. And then I go in with my buttercream of beautiful textures. I start from down and work my way up. So I have the big one and the smaller one. I'm going to go ahead and use the smaller one, because this is the front of my hair and that part is very fine as well, so it really does not matter. So some people like to start here, but I like to start from down, and then I go ahead and twist my ends around it first, and then I lock my hair underneath it. And then I go ahead and just roll it out. It's really simple, and it shouldn't take you more time than needed. And then I push this down to lock it, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and do the last one. When I'm doing my hairstyles, I really try not to use any combs or brushes or anything unless it's really needed. So I just go ahead and take like about this long, and then I wrap this around the rubber, and then I lock it in with my own hair, and then I just go ahead and roll it up. And as I roll it up, I also keep on pulling so that it will be straight, hopefully. So that it will be smooth, hopefully. And that is how I do it, and then I lock it like that. This is how it looks like, by the way. Also from the back. So that's it. See you tomorrow. Hi athletes, so this is the next day. I must say they are pretty comfortable to sleep in compared to the curl formats that I did a while ago and slept in it. So yeah, I'm basically just going to take that down. I hope that everything is dry, and I also really think that the best time to do it is on dry hair, not on wet hair, because there's not enough holes in it to like dry it up, and it's like rubber which is covering your whole hair, so it's really difficult for it to dry. Okay, not looking bad at all. I really like the curls. Wow, look at that.
Me da fupa unyum nepwe. Me da fupa unyum nepwe. Me da fupa unyum nepwe. No.
Some places are slightly damp still, like not too dry. Yeah, this is not dry at all. Oh no. But the places that are dry are really nice though. I think the best is to do it on totally dry hair and not even like damp hair, because I did it on pretty damp hair, so that's why. So this side is totally loose, and some of them are not dry, especially the upper side here, so. But like in front here it's really dry, and it's yeah, it's also not too dry, but the sides are really dry, and you can see how the curls come out really nice when it's actually dried, like well dry. So I think it's really best to do it on dry hair. So this is how it's looking like. I am a bit disappointed because I really expected to like really dry, because my hair is not that thick. I was thinking for all those people that it's not working for them, their hair is just too thick and all those things, and I expected my hair to dry. So yeah, I guess next time when I'm doing it, I have to just do it on totally dry hair. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this hairstyle. Unfortunately, it didn't come out like I would have wanted to come out, because it did not dry, so that is really bad. And I will definitely try it again next time, because I think if it does work out, like when you do it on dry hair and it does work out, it's really nice hairstyle to rock as a thin fine natural hair. You can see how it's making my hair appear really nice and thick and fluffy and everything. So I think it's a good thing to try again on dry hair. The curls on the lower parts are really nice because that got really dry, but the rest, especially in the middle, which my hair tends to be a little bit thicker, did not dry at all. And this part has no curl definition at all. And this is how the back looks like. Hey Adele, so this is a different day, and I actually tried it again on dry hair. This time it's actually dry stretch hair. So let's get straight into it, take it down and see how it's going to come out. I don't want this video to be too long because it's already too long. So let's take it out and see how it comes out this time around on dry stretched out hair. Okay, not bad. It's a bit more looser, as you can see, on stretched out hair. And probably because there is no water, the curls are a bit more difficult to set, I think. But it's not looking bad. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take everything out. So this is it. I have taken out all the magic curl thing, and this is how my hair is looking like. I must say that it's some places I didn't get too much curl definition for some reason. I don't know why, but I did it. I only used shea butter to roll up this magic curl thing, but it does look better than when it was on wet hair. So that is definitely for sure, but I still didn't meet a certain expectation because I expected more curl definition, and some places it's just. So I'm going to go ahead and separate it. Let me show you how it is now first. This is how it's looking like. This is the back. This is how the side is looking like. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to separate it a bit.
Oh, don't give me beze. Dance to the song, let me see your body keke. I go do like I'm blind. Anything you do, I go see na my tete. You know me say how they fear. Girl, I wanna come to your day. Oh, don't me say pull up. Wait a minute, let me know what you're up to. If I want to push a yard.
So this is how I could get it. I think it doesn't look bad. I just expected more curls than how it is right now. I have more curls underneath than on top of it. And maybe that's because I didn't use any setting product or any gel or something like that. But then again, I couldn't use any gel or something like that because then it won't dry up. So yeah, this is it. I'm not sure if I will do this again, but I think it's a nice idea for once in a while or something like that. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you will try it or you have tried it, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye.